the release of the new Kito electric chain hoist. The world's first dual-speed inverter hoist available as standard equipment. Small size and light in weight. Push-button control. Original design. Emergency stop. Provided as standard equipment. Enhanced friction clutch. Thermal protector as standard equipment. Upper-lower limit switch. Provided as standard. Load chain. Improved durability. CH counter-hour meter as standard. Improved ease of maintenance. Support for the environment. Safety, durability, and ease of maintenance, considering all persons carrying out work. The evolution of Kito electric chain hoists continues. The new Kito electric chain hoist ER2 has been released as a product that further builds upon Kito's previous ER series. Safety, durability, and ease of maintenance. The ER2 is a product that has been designed to be user-friendly as well as environmentally friendly. With high safety and working efficiency, these products provide long-period stable operation, which is essential for improving production efficiency. Due to further improved durability, the increased product service life and reduced running costs have resulted in minimizing the lifetime cost. Seeking improved ease of use and work efficiency, an inverter has been provided as standard in a dual-speed hoist. In the pursuit of lower speed, the dual-speed inverter delivers smoother movement than the pole change motor, reducing load swing. The high to low speed ratio can be set to a large value. This results in smooth starts, improved low speed stops, and improved positioning accuracy. The standard speed ratio is 6:1, with adjustability up to 12:1. Further, the functions such as high-speed operation when lightly loaded, desired positioning, stepless speed operation, and electronic overload limiter can be accomplished with the inverter feature. The push-button control is designed in an ergonomic shape that is operator-friendly. Seeking ease of operation and universal design, Kito's original push-button control was designed and manufactured based on trial and error repeated many times. A shape that comfortably fits in your hand. Responding to fine adjustments in pressure, the button has a light operating sensation. The pressing stroke is short, therefore the operator will not become fatigued after long periods of operation. A non-slip projection has been fixed to the rear surface. The emergency stop, provided as standard equipment, allows the motor power to be disconnected in an emergency without cutting off the main power supply. Resistant to the collisions and shocks that may occur during work, Kito's original push-button control can be used in various environments and supports efficient working. Maintaining safety is the most important task for lifting equipment and is essential for stable operation. To ensure safety, Kito utilizes a double safety mechanism consisting of an originally developed friction clutch and upper-lower limit switch. The friction clutch is an emergency overload protection device that idles the motor when subjected to an excessive load over the rated capacity. Friction clutch performance is not easily compromised with changes in the surrounding temperature. In the case of irregular loading, this operates in advance to prevent the hoist body or load chain from being damaged. In the event that a load is lifted or lowered excessively, the limit switch stops the motor, preventing hoist or load chain damage. The limit switch by design effectively utilizes hoist space. Maintenance is essential to assure the hoist performs well throughout its service life. The ER2 has been designed to make this maintenance easy. This ease of maintenance allows the hoist inspection process to be completed more efficiently as well. The connecting shaft that was previously attached inside the body is mounted on the outside of the ER2. This allows the top hook or suspender to be attached or removed with ease. The electric parts and equipment are concentrated inside the controller cover. Therefore, inspection and parts replacement can be accomplished easily. The controller cover is connected to the hoist body using a cover belt so that maintenance can be carried out more easily. As a standard feature, the hoist's total on time and the number of lowering starts are shown on the LCD of the CH meter. This enables the user to carry out maintenance based upon the frequency of use. By maintaining a history of the CH meter data, the inspection periods and replacement periods for gear oil, contactors, brakes, and load chains can be controlled, allowing the equipment to be used with confidence. The evolved ER2 has greater durability, resulting in increased service life. This allows for stable operation over a long period of time. The compact aluminum die-cast single-unit body has exceptional rigidity, as well as high dust protection and water protection. It has a simple structure with a small number of parts. A unique fan-cooled motor with motor frame fins and a fan cover have been configured into a purpose-built design. This purpose-built design produces a much quieter motor fan, as well as enhanced fan cooling capabilities. Standard thermal protector prevents the motor from burnout due to excessive usage. The gearbox is lubricated in an oil bath. Due to the oil bath lubrication, wear resistance of the gears has been improved and cooling has been enhanced at the same time. The ER2 achieves the world's highest level of M5 class with a duty cycle of 60% ED. Supporting the most demanding environments and usage conditions, it has a long service life. The hoist is a heavy-duty product, which is also applicable to high-frequency or long-lift operations. For example, in the case of a duty cycle of 30% ED, the stop time will be longer than the operating time in a cycle. Therefore, the work efficiency will be reduced when used with high frequency, such as in repeated work. Kito's world-class original super-strength nickel-plated load chain uses unique technology to greatly increase resistance to fatigue and wear. Compared to previous products, the pitch of the load chain has been decreased, and a device has also been added in the load sheave. This provides smooth movement and operation. At Kito, testing is carried out regarding the load chain fatigue, wear, tensile strength, and environment. Kito takes pride in manufacturing load chains that have strength, durability, and accuracy for utilization in the product. The unique electromagnetic brake device, with its strong braking power, securely holds the load. This results in a reduction in running costs. As an environmental measure, 15 environmentally hazardous substances specified by Kito, including 6 European RoHS directive substances, are not used. Further, an energy savings is present due to the 20 to 25% reduction in rated current draw compared to the previous ER. The utilization of the 4-pole motor as well as the electromagnetic brake reduces the noise during operation and braking. Ideal for applications in environments where excessive noise is unacceptable. The ER2 is small-sized, lightweight, and compact. By making the hoist body more compact, unnecessary space has been reduced, allowing hoist body space to be occupied more efficiently. Three-year product warranty and 10-year hoist brake warranty. Appropriate for products with a very high degree of quality, Kito has confidence in offering products with warranties unparalleled in the industry. Kito electric chain hoists were first developed in 1958. Ever since then, they have sought the industry's top level of safety and durability. And to continue as highly trusted products selected around the world. The evolution of Kito electric chain hoists continues.